I need to make a big announcement. It's a very, very big announcement. I'm no longer doing van life solo. Yeah, this is great. It's really, really like big transition in my travel life. I'm actually going to be doing van life with somebody that I've known pretty much my whole life. Probably he's been to more countries than any of you guys. I mean, more countries than probably there's countries in the world. Yeah, and I'm really excited. I mean, he doesn't really contribute much. He doesn't really help out or even pay for gas because he's my chowder teddy bear. This is Cuddles, because when you hold him, he cuddles you. And this poor thing, he's got like a hole in his arm from like 9th grade, I think, when somebody's like spun him around and then he flew out the window. So anyway, Cuddles is with me now. I finally got him washed and got him out of storage. So yeah, so he's going to be joining me. So he's been to literally probably 30 countries, I think, and he lived in Japan with me, and now he's going to be traveling. So okay, I know I'm almost 47, but you guys can just shut up. So this is like the best body pillow. Like, this is what I sleep with. And he doesn't talk back. He's not snappy or sassy, you know, but he also doesn't have a job. I don't think he's ever had a job. And definitely doesn't, you know, pay for gas or road snacks. So, you know, it's okay. He can just mooch. It's fine. But yeah, no, really excited to have Cuddles finally in the van after 4 years. I didn't even think of bringing him. I was like, I don't want to lose him by accident or have the van set on fire. But yeah, just felt bad that he was in the storage unit for the last year. So welcome Cuddles, and looking forward to doing some trips with you. Anything you want to say? No? You look pretty miserable. Anyway, poor guy. He's like, what? Leave me alone. I'm a grumpy old man. All right, let's do this.